Hi all, welcome to another refurbishment video. Bit of a retro flavour this one. It's an Acer Veriton M430G desktop computer. So it's got standard case, USB ports on the front, top, microphone headphone socket, and it's got an optical drive. So I'll just move around the side. There's a side panel with a huge vent. What I'll do is I'll get that side panel off in a minute and I'll talk through the upgrades. And this is the rear of the computer, top to bottom. It's got the power supply, vent, fan, and below that it's got an exhaust fan, which I had to add because it didn't come with an exhaust fan. To the left is motherboard. Below that is a graphics card, which is a 1GB GT730. So I'll get the side panel off and talk through the upgrades. So I've got the side panel off. Now this is one of the 4 computers that I got for free. So it had a Amd Athlon II dual core in there, and I've added one that's got a slightly higher clock speed. It's got 4GB of RAM. Now this machine is good for XP, and 4GB is the most that the 32-bit version will address. 32 bits better than 64 because it's better for software compatibility. So below that is the GT730 1GB graphics card. And to the right is a 500GB mechanical drive. SSDs don't work too well with XP. And to keep the costs down, I just kept that drive in there and cleaned everything up. There was one thing with these old power supplies, the usual whining noise. So what you do is you take the cooling, you take it apart, easy to do, a few screws, remove the cooling fan and the sticker that covers the centre, and you should find a small rubber bung. Prise that out and put some sewing machine oil in there, put the bung back and wipe down, and that should sort out the whining noise, which is almost certainly that fan. So if you've got any questions, just drop me a message. This system should be good for Linux as well, but the customer who's having this wants Windows XP for his older software. Thanks for watching.